You'll see if you're here in New York. It's these SUVs off-roading right here in New York City.
So this one is lining up to go up the ramp behind the red Jeep. So he's in place. Hold on and just watch.
Just watch him.
Did you hear that motor roar? That V8. This one's carrying a V8. I can tell by the way it sounds.
Just watch him.
Now this ramp is pretty steep. I haven't rode in it yet, but can you imagine going up looking at the skyline?
Watch him drop. Well, you can't see it from where we're at, but they will come back around right about here.
They're waiting behind other vehicles. They are safety precautions. Just look at this one that's in medium green. It's beautiful. We are just finishing up a video on the Hummer, the original Hummer that the military used. And we're looking forward to releasing this one real soon.
Well, I don't know where he went. He seemed to disappeared, but they should come back around. Give them a minute. There's safety precautions. There you go. Right there. Right there. There you go. Just a little something for the kids, a little excitement. Or a big kid like me. Pretty cool. So we are about to go into the Javits Center here in New York City. And we shall see what the manufacturers have to offer. So here we are, Javits Center, New York City. There's certain levels. I believe on level 1, they have Lucid motors. We shall find out. Stay tuned. Stick with us.
This is not the end, and it is not over. So we have content coming up regarding the Humvee, the military version of the Hummer, which they actually leased the rights to Hummer GMC. So in the meantime, check out the video we have just released on a 2-door Jeep Wrangler and more. Subscribe.